Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this device. So, to get started, just get rid of this little stand. I'm gonna flip it over, and right here where we have this little flap, you can press the button and basically flip it open, and you have this flap right here. So we're just gonna open it up. And you can see we have space for our SD card right over here. So I'm gonna grab it. Let me just grab this. So I can place it on the screen like so without scratching it. So the way this will go is like this. And push it all the way in. And there we go, you're good to go. So I can close it up. Make sure it's closed up well, so flush. I'm gonna close this up, and the card should start working right away. So let's see if we have any kind of notification about it, and we do. Samsung SD card, so tap to set up. So it's obviously detecting it. So there we go. This is how you would insert a SD card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.